Tony from Elite Fleet Installations. Just a little demo video about the run lock system from StarLine. It's an add-on package onto any of the S, E or B series alarm systems. It's going to be offered out from around £150 vehicle depending, but that's going to be the average costs to add run lock in. If you don't know what run lock is, basically is it allows the engine to carry on running with the keys out the ignition. Trades guys like this, if you're running 240 volt out the back, beacon lights, work lights, and you need your engine running, but obviously you want the security of the keys not being in the ignition, so run lock is the great system for that. Some people use it instead of remote start. They want to defrost their vehicle, they want to come out, realise their car needs warming up, so they want to leave it running, but obviously don't want to leave the keys in the ignition, so for safety. So I just want to show you how it works and what you do. So with the StarLine system, it's all programmed in through the CAN bus. You just do like a little handshake with the vehicle. So when you pull up, you just open the driver's door, you then apply the handbrake, and then now when you turn the key off, the vehicle carries on running, no keys in ignition. You can get out, lock, arm the vehicle, disarm the vehicle as normal. And if anyone tries to get in and puts their foot on the brake, it just cuts the engine straight off. And obviously you need the key again to then restart it. And that's it, it's as simple as that. So I'll just do it again, hold my foot on the brake, the door's open, so I can just take the handbrake off and then back on. That will activate run lock. You'll get the notification up, solid blue light from your valet button, just to let you know that run lock is now activated anyway, so you know it's worked. And then when you take the keys off, it carries on running, and you're completely safe. You can arm the vehicle, locks and arms it, and you're fully protected. So that is the run lock. Any more information, just give us a call.